When you're out in the wild, eating cold canned food or dry rations for sustenance is indeed a viable solution. But is it anyone's idea of a dream vacation? I say definitely not. Therefore, in this episode of Must See Tech, we will cover the most innovative new cooking systems and portable camping kitchens that would solve all of your gourmet needs. Before we begin, subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, and let's roll! iKamper's Disco series. The latest camping stove from iKamper is based on a tripod with adjustable legs featuring several heights and rubberized feet. The model gets a single burner stove on top that is compatible with propane and butane. It is also supplied with a cast iron skillet that is made using patented mehanite material. The skillet has two handles on the sides and is coated with enamel, ensuring non-stick properties. Unlike regular cast irons, Disco requires no seasoning. It can be used over the stove itself or hanged on the tripod to cook over the open fire. Finally, each Disco stove is fitted with a mini table that lets you do some prep work and place utensils during cooking. Magma Crossover Series. Despite its portability, this modular system from Magma can grant you a truly premium cooking experience. The Crossover Series is a 304 brushed stainless steel mini kitchen that can be mounted onto a Magma Quadpod or a car's hitch. It comes in a single or two-burner configuration with 15,000 BTU. To maintain a strong and efficient flame in any condition, there is a built-in wind deflector and an innovative altitude adjustment system. Each model has FDA-approved cutting boards and weighs from 28 pounds. Additionally, the Crossover series can be enhanced with multiple toppers, namely grill, griddle, or pizza oven. The system has a convenient side handle and can be easily stored in a stock bag. Solo Stove Pie. If you've always dreamt about a wood-fire oven to cook a real pizza in your backyard or on the road, then the Solo Stove Pie is ready for the task. The stainless steel model has a demi-dome construction, a convenient panoramic opening, and a half-inch cordierite stone inside. The latter has a perfect thickness since it transfers heat quickly and requires minimal preheating time, only 18 minutes at 800 Fahrenheit. The oven goes as high as 900 degrees Fahrenheit, so your pizza will be ready in a matter of minutes. All in all, the pie weighs just 30 pounds, so it is easy to transport. Finally, in case you want to simplify cooking, the Solo stove is also offered as a dual-fuel model that can use propane. Some of these cooking gadgets are sold on Amazon, so make sure to do all of your online shopping through our affiliate links in the description. Thanks for your support, and let's keep rolling. Kimportable. This Poland-based startup designed an all-in-one solution for travelers, which transforms any car or truck into a camping kitchen. This multi-purpose slide-out unit mounts on your vehicle's hitch without any modifications to its exterior, not to mention that the interior space remains untouched. The setup process takes mere seconds, as you simply have to unlock the waterproof lid to gain access to the kitchen. It features a two-burner stove and a stainless steel sink from Dometic, which is plumbed to dual 10-liter tanks holding fresh and wastewater, while the lid itself is equipped with LED lighting. Under the counter, there are also two slide-out removable drawers, where you will find a Dometic Tropicool 14-liter fridge and all the necessary kitchen utensils. For your convenience, each drawer additionally features an LED strip. GoSun Sizzle. The largest and the most powerful GoSun oven was designed with the help of the company's lead investor and rocket scientist, Glenn McGillivray. The Sizzle borrows the proven tube design from the Fusion oven, but utilizes custom reflector materials. The cooking tray has 4.5 liters capacity, so it can feed 4 to 5 people at once, while the huge parabolic acrylic mirror can tilt to achieve optimal sun exposure and maximize efficiency. The cooking time is just 30 minutes. You can store the hot meal inside for hours, and the oven reaches the maximum temperatures of 550 Fahrenheit. It also weighs just 22 pounds, and if you need to cook in the evening or at night, the sizzle can be also plugged into any 12-volt power source. Firebox for Freestyle. Steve Despain, the owner of Firebox, designed his first wood-burning stove more than 10 years ago, and back in the day, it became an instant hit. Since then, Firebox expanded its product range with several smaller, task-specific products. And now, the company releases the Firebox 4-inch freestyle modular stove system. It can cover all of your possible needs at the campsite while keeping the advantages of smaller systems. By connecting the 4-inch wide panels with pins, you can quickly set up the stove as a small tri-torch, a larger field kitchen, or an octagon fire pit. Currently, the Freestyle is offered with 4 or 8 panels and made either of stainless steel or titanium. Just like other Firebox stoves, it folds flat and will easily fit into the pocket of your backpack. Orknots Fire Tower. Successfully funded through Kickstarter, the Fire Tower comes from the Belgian designer Orknot Design and his personal brand by Orknot. It is a lightweight foldable rocket stove that could be manufactured out of 3 or 4 stainless steel or titanium. If made out of the former material, it weighs 1.65 pounds and 0.66 pounds if you're ready to overpay for the latter. When folded and stored in a cover bag, the Orknot Fire Tower is sized close to a large wallet. When installed, it has a footprint of 7 by 4 inches and 8 inches height. As fuel, you can use sticks, twigs, and other biofuels found in the nature. Interestingly, since the side pipe is positioned at an angle, the stove has some sort of self-feeding capabilities. Viva Plus Gen Stove. Designed and made in Korea, the Gen Stove is a portable stove that can charge your smartphone, Bluetooth speaker, and other devices by harvesting the residual heat from the fire. The system consists of a stove itself, a thermal generator, and a water basket, and it is hooked up to a propane or butane tank. You can fry, sauté, or boil, and at the same time the Gen Stove will recharge the attached lithium-ion battery. The latter has a 3200 mAh capacity, and it can simultaneously power one of your devices or store energy for later. Once you no longer plan to cook, the pack can be recharged at home using a USB-C port, or at camp via a solar panel. Trifax Ration. This any-trip solution for quick hot food cooking from Trifax allows you to feel secure wherever you go. The ration's 2-piece body consists of a large storage compartment made of powder-coated aluminum and a stainless steel stovetop. The storage bay features a sturdy leather internal organizer, so you can take not only food and water, but also some essential utensils and multi-tools. For the asking price, this kit comes equipped with a 20-ounce stainless steel cup with a top and a 3.5-ounce fuel canister, enough for nearly 20 uses. The carry handle is adjustable, while the bottom has been treated with a non-slip base to prevent the hot food from running away. Would you consider expanding your arsenal of cooking gadgets with the solutions from this video? Which one would you choose? Join the conversation in the comments below. Remember to shop through our affiliate links in the description. Subscribe to Must See Tech, ring the bell, and watch more episodes on our channel. Always stand with Ukraine, and we'll see you soon.